can't see them yet.
They're near the tallest tree now. They're about to fly over the tallest tree. Near the pine trees.
This one?
Yeah.
I can barely see.
Come over to where I am. You'll see.
Oh, I see them.
Yep, that's Cargolux headed to Indianapolis.
That's a short flight, though. Probably only an hour and a half.
Maybe a little less than that. I mean, I don't know why, but for some reason they make long haul planes do short haul flights. Maybe because of all the cargo, I'm guessing. I don't know.
Well, yes. All cargo aircraft are usually mostly long haul airplanes.